Hi, welcome to our How to Register tutorial for the 2021 West Virginia Small Farm Conference. So the event this year is going to be using the Extension Service Online Learning Community. And as you can see, I already have an account. However, I'm going to walk you through starting anew. So when you get to our website, you are going to scroll down to where it says, is this your first time here? And you're going to create a new account. So when you create a new account, you are going to make sure you have a username, an appropriate password, and enter your additional details. So I'm just going to make up some stuff since this is a test account, just to give you an example. But this is how you register for the Extension Service Online Learning Community website itself. So as you can see, we are setting up a new account under the Extension Service Online Learning Community. So just go ahead and put in your information. I've made a fake account here, and that way you can see what it is like to get started. So once you enter all of your information, go ahead and click Create My New Account. Okay, once you click Create My New Account, you will see a screen pop up that says Confirm Your Account. So you will just need to wait a couple minutes for an email to come to the email address that you used. And you will want to activate your account by checking that email and clicking the link. So once the email comes in, it will let you know that you've signed up for the learning system, and it will give you a web address. So go to that web address, and that will activate your account. So now my registration has been confirmed, and you can see, am now logged in. Your name that you use to register with the online learning community system should pop up in the top right. And if you want, you can go ahead and create a profile, add a photo, add details about yourself. But we're going to go ahead and click continue. And from there, you are now officially registered with the online learning community portal. So to find our event, you are going to navigate down to where there are courses listed. So our event is listed as a course. We are under the Agriculture and Natural Resources section. And if you just go down a little bit further, you'll find the 2021 West Virginia Small Farm Conference. So just go ahead and click that link. And from there, you will officially want to enroll into the West Virginia Small Farm Conference as a course. Now, it is an event. This website was made for courses, but it works for both. So please scroll down, and you are going to enroll as an attendee. So click Enroll Me. From there, it will say you are enrolled in this course. The next step is to register for the actual event itself. So for our event, where it says registration, select registration. And from there, you'll scroll down. We have a little description about the event. And then here it says answer the questions. Select that. So go ahead and register for our event. This is information that as a small farm center, we are requesting for the conference. This registration is different than what you just went through for the online learning community. So on the registration page, just go ahead and add your information. This will register you for the actual event. So the first registration you did was for the website, and this one is for the actual event itself. So we have some general questions here. Once you finish answering the questions that we have for registration, click Submit Your Answers. So now you have officially registered for our event. From there, click Continue. And now you'll be able to participate in the forum and network with individuals prior to the actual conference event. For now, the individual days are listed as restricted. They will open up prior to the conference, and keep an eye on our announcements. So after you register, you'll get a check mark around your progress bar. That way you know your registration is complete if you're wondering if you finished. The forum, you can go ahead and start there as a way to get interacting with other individuals before the actual conference event starts. So go ahead and introduce yourself and participate in some of our discussions. Thank you so much for registering for the Small Farm Conference, and we'll see you soon.